Now let's look at a line that's parallel. When you have parallel lines, they'll have the same slope. So the first thing we need to do in this equation that we're given is put it in the y equals mx plus b form, because then that way I'll know what the slope is. So in other words, I need to solve for y. So I could move the 4x to the other side, which makes it negative. And now solving for y, I would have negative 4x over 5 plus 2 over 5. So all I did was divide 5 on every term. So I know my slope now then is negative 4 over 5, and my y-intercept in this case I don't know yet with this point, because notice that this is a different point. And so what I could do to find this now is I could use my y, let me get some room over here, my y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And now that I have my slope, I simply plug in the points that they give me. So y1 is 6 equals, and x1 is 7. And now I have to solve this one for y to find the y-intercept. So 6, negative 4x over 5, negative and a negative is a positive 28 over 5. I'm going to have to find a common denominator when I try to move this 6 to this side. And so I have got my colors mixed up. I have y equals negative 4x over 5 plus 28 over 5. And then I think that 6 will become 30 over 5. And so this gives me y equals negative 4x over 5. This would be plus 58 over 5. Or you could write that as a decimal, if you picked your calculator up, as 11 over 6. It would take either, I think it said, yeah, it'll take either one. It doesn't matter if it's as a decimal or a fraction.